Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Play Store and confirming you're signed into the account you want to fund. Once done, make sure your device's country and payment profile match the card's region because codes are region-locked. Next, locate your physical card or digital code and double-check each character. Mistakes are the most common failure. Go to the menu and choose Payments and Subscriptions. This is the first actionable step to redeem. Doing this immediately avoids extra setup steps and gets you into the redemption flow. Now you actually redeem. Tap Redeem Code and enter the gift card or promo code exactly as shown. You can paste to reduce transcription errors, but visually verify every character because O, 0, and I1 are commonly confused. Once entered, the Play Store shows the balance amount and destination account. Review that and press Confirm. If the code applies to a promo or subscription credit, it will display that detail. Make sure to check which balance type was added so you understand where funds can be used. Finish by using your new balance at checkout. Select Google Play Balance as the payment method before confirming a purchase so funds are applied automatically. After purchase, open orders to confirm the charge and view your remaining balance. If the balance doesn't appear or redemption failed, clear the Play Store app cache, restart the device, and try again. Region mismatches and account differences are common causes. If that still fails, contact Google Play Support with your card details handy. This troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.